So the first thing you need to do is to create your lead magnet. If you want to use ebooks, videos, or templates as lead magnets, go to idplr.com and create a new account. I have left the link in the description section. IDPLR is a private label rights platform that sells products created by others as private label rights. Some people create products and don't want to sell them in their names. So a private label rights reseller like IDPLR helps them do that. A private label right gives you a right to sell a product created by another person. So all you just need to do is just pick up the product there, dust it, and start selling it as yours. You don't need to create your own product from the scratch. So now let us head over to idplr.com. Alright, we are the IDPLR website. So you can get free products that you can sell even with your free account, like free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audios, free graphics, and templates. They also have premium products that you can sell. While using this this website, you should be able to check your product, just like we're going to do. Check the product, because some of them are outdated. So they also have very recent products, which are they are premium products. But with your free plan, you can get a lot of books and software that you can download for free. Also, with their free plan, they allow you to be able to download 2 premium products that you have to pay for their or upgrade, so you can gain access to more products from them that you can sell. For me, I'm using their free plan because I don't usually need their products except for lead magnets. So, but if you're selling their ebooks or selling their product, you want to be selling their product. Let me just sign into their platform. Let me just log in. Normally, you're supposed to register here. So once you register, you gain access to what they have on offer. For me, I'm using their free plan. So just look at what they have here. You will see a lot of products they have listed. You look here, you will see some ebooks, time mastery video. They have videos, they have templates, they have ebooks that you can download for free and sell. They also have articles that you can also use for your blogs. If you want to search for products, you can go to their category, just like a scroll down. This one is business and making money. If your business is into something that has to do with business and making money, your target audience has to do with business and making money, then you can click on this place to gain access to what they have. They also have marketing and promotion, social media and networks, web and development, computer and technology, WordPress, software, and all that. So you just check the one that suits your target audience. Remember that your lead magnet is supposed to help your target audience to solve a problem. So let me download one product from them. The one I'm going to download is called the warrior mindset. The warrior mindset. So I'll just go to their search and type it, because I already know what I want. If you don't know what you want, I can go through their categories and then search, or you search for what you want, or you go through their search bar and type in the subject you want to search for. Then you will see books or videos. Or if you already know what you're searching for, just type in the name in the search bar and you will get it. So I'm going to type in the name of what I'm searching for. The warrior mindset. The warrior mindset. So I'm waiting for it to load. So this is going to send me to a page that has a lot of other products tagged warrior. So I'll just select the one that I'm looking for. If you look here, you will see a lot of other products. What I'm looking for is the one tagged the warrior mindset. Alright, this is it here. The warrior mindset. This is it here. So I'll just click on it, and it takes me to a page where I will see everything about this particular book, what is inside, what the person who reads it will learn, and then how to use the product, because they also have do's and don'ts. There are things you can do with this private label rights product, and there are things you can't do with them. So this will take me to a page that shows me, and also on that page I should be able to download this book. Okay, so alright, so we're on that page right now. This is the page where we will download. You can see it. This is the page where you can download. Let me scroll down so you see. You will see the things you will learn from this book. You see what is the warrior mindset, what it takes to be a warrior, times we are not a warrior, the fire within goals and the warriors and all that. So these are the things inside the book. You also go down, you see the do's and the don'ts, the things you can't do with the book. This book was submitted on the 2nd of October 2017. So when you pick this book, you're supposed to check the content. Be sure that it's not outdated. It doesn't have outdated content, doesn't have outdated links. Make sure all the links are working. That is why we're going to rewrite most of the things in this book. So the file size of this book is 133 MB. It has a master's resale rights. Then it can also be sold. It can be used for personal use. These are the things you can do with the book. And there are also things you can't do with the book, because remember, this book was created by someone else. This is someone's product. So the person has a right to determine what you do and not do with the product. So these are the things. Also make sure that you abide by their rules. So now I'm going to download. You can also preview. This is a preview. The preview, you can preview the book. Know what is inside. See all the, because most of the time this book comes as, or this product, they always come as zip files. So you will see the sales letter, all the graphics that you're going to use to sell the products, and then you also see even the email campaigns that you can use to sell it. So, but that's what you're going to see if you preview it. Okay, so you will download it. This is where you download the book. So once you click here to download, then you open the zip file in your computer or your phone, and then extract the book. Then once you have done that, it takes us to the next step, which is going to ChatGPT to recreate this book. We're going to create a new cover, a new title, and then we'll recreate even the content of the book. So using ChatGPT, I will show you that in a moment. So let's go over to ChatGPT.